Introducing the OL approach to smarter proof of deliveries. This is OL ACME. OL ACME is a wholesaler of mechanical parts that has been in business 20 years. Following a very profitable year, they have several new clients and have recruited more drivers to deliver their goods. OL ACME used to manage its own delivery logistics using paper. All of their deliveries and invoicing were done manually using printed delivery notes that each driver carried in their truck. This system created several problems. Papers often got lost or damaged during transport and handling, and quickly stacked up in messy piles back at the office. Processing the delivery notes took days, and handwritten scribbles made adjustments and were reliable and difficult to scan. OL ACME needed help to improve their processes. But not just any solution. They needed one that wouldn't disrupt their services, wouldn't replace their current systems, and wouldn't cost too much time or money to implement. That's why they chose the OL approach to smarter proof of delivery. They were able to bring speed and accuracy to their manual processes. At the point of delivery, the digital delivery notes are validated using checkboxes and signatures. If necessary, drivers can easily add photos and geolocation coordinates before sending them back to the office. If an issue arises during delivery, it is automatically routed to customer service, where a representative can get in contact with the customers right away, addressing the issue before the driver has even left the location. As soon as the driver submits a document, a multitude of simultaneous processes can be initiated. Transaction data is sent back to headquarters instantly, and because the documents are digital, the system can be updated with accurate and reliable information. With OL's solution, they can automatically send an electronic copy of the delivery note to the document management system and send a notification to the accounting department by email. Meanwhile, the customer receives a digital copy on his smartphone and a printed invoice by regular mail.